Thai green chicken curry. Does it pie? Let's go. Curry paste is in, chicken's in, onions are in. Just going to soak that off, and then we'll have the coconut milk and the vegetables. So that's enough for a bit.
Thai green chicken curry. It's in a pie, but does it pie? I do this for you. I taste all these pies so you know whether it pies or not. And this one, I think it's again, it's in a pie. Thai green curry. Whoop, whoop. It tastes great, but I'm not entirely sold on it being in pastry. I think we need a second opinion. Olivia! My glamorous assistant. I think it's good. I'm just not entirely sure that it deserves to be in a pie. I think it's nice. Tastes great. For me, it's got a weird, almost a bit too spicy to be in a pie. There we go.
Still nice though.
So does it pie? No, it doesn't pie. They don't all pie.
This might be our first one, but isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. And I'm sure there'll be more. If you want us to, if you've got a suggestion on what we should put in the pie, leave it in the comments. We'll happily do it. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.